You ever wonder how chickens snore? Never seen that in my life. Never in my life have I seen a chicken snore. This rooster is going in. Like he had a rough night. You deal with all these doggone baby chickens at night. And then I got to wake everybody else up. You know how early I got to get up and wake everybody else up? Some bullshit. I'm about to take my ass to sleep. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Never in my life. Just gonna go to sleep on the playground. You are something else. You are truly something else. Well, come look at this. Look at this joker right here. Sleeping on the job. Well, who gonna keep the crows out the yard now? This nigga really going in. I have never seen a rooster snore. What is he thinking about? He ain't gonna turn his head like he looking. Eyes wide shut. Hey, wake up! Wake up! Well, you wake up now, huh? Oh yeah, I won't sleep. I won't sleep. Man, you was snoring. Oh, you just gonna go back to sleep. Like I don't even exist. Okay. All fun and games till that hawk come out here. You're gonna be in a deep sleep then. Forever sleep.